Hi friends, now I would like to give the information about how do you find submatrices from the main matrix and how do you generate some standard matrices in MATLAB. Now let us go to the MATLAB software. You open any new script file. So I already opened here. So this is just like this. Now first let us generate one new matrix with entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm just randomly typing 4, 0, 2. So suppose I'm taking 3 by 3 matrix. Now see, once we generate here, so this is, and from this I would like to find out the second row, second column entry. So that is 1. I would like to figure out what is that second row, second column element. It is, observe here whatever you are typing, that represents the corresponding row, and here what it represents the corresponding column. Now second row, second column entry, see what we are getting here. Second row, second column entry, once we generate, see exactly one we are getting. And suppose second row, third column entry, see, second row, third column entry, it is the value 2. Suppose I would like to take it out complete row, B2. Suppose A complete row I would like to figure out. So that means second row I would like to figure out. Second row is 4, 1, 2. This I would like to take it out. That's why complete column entries. For that we have to use this syntax. This is the syntax. This is, now we execute what we are getting. See, this is 4, 1, 2. And similarly, suppose I would like to execute complete column, the complete row entries, and third column I would like to execute. I would like to find the submatrix. It's nothing but the complete third column of the matrix A. It is 3, 2, 2. Suppose I would like to find out 4, 1, 4, 0 as the submatrix. So for that, see what we are getting. B4, suppose A 4, 1, 4, 0, it is the second row, third row element. So second to third, it represents row. After the comma, it represents columns. Now this 4, 4 is the first column, 1, 0 is the second column. That's why 1, 2. This, once we execute, let us see what is B4, 4, 1, 4, 0. So this is how you find submatrices from the main matrices. Now let us see what are the standard matrices. 0 matrix, a matrix with 0 entries of any size. So for that, syntax is zeros of m comma n. See, suppose C is equal to zeros of 2 comma 3. I'm typing. Once we execute, let us see zeros of 2 comma 3, 2, 3. Or suppose I would like to take square matrix with 0 entries, 3 by 3. See here what we are getting. So submit 3 by 3 matrix with 0 entries. The same way, a matrix with entry 1. So for that, suppose for this syntax is ones, O-N-E-S. This is the syntax of m by n. Suppose 3 comma 4 I am typing. This is ones. See what we are getting. D1 is nothing but 3 rows, 4 columns with 1 entry. Now suppose, how do you generate diagonal matrix? To generate a diagonal matrix, we know that diagonal entries are non-zero. So first I will take E is equal to, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the diagonal entries. Suppose diagonal entries of a diagonal matrix. Now I would like to generate diagonal matrix. To generate a diagonal matrix, DIAG, this is the syntax. Now the entries, let us see by executing what we will get in place of E1. See here E1, 1, 2, 3, 4 are getting in diagonal and remaining are zeros. So this is how do you generate diagonal matrix. Now similarly, what is the random matrix? Random matrix is nothing but a matrix with any size with different entries. Suppose F is equal to, the syntax is RAND. So this is the syntax. Suppose I would like to find random matrix of 3 by 3. See, once we execute, what we are getting, see, this is. And again, suppose if you execute the same, in place of F, what we will get? You will get a different matrix. For every execution, you will get a different matrix if you use RAND, the random matrix. So this is, it is just like we can take it as a dummy matrix. For any purpose we can use this random matrix. Now let us see what is the identity matrix. Identity matrix is nothing but a square matrix with a diagonal entries are all ones. So see how you can find this. Suppose identity matrix is equal to, for that syntax is EYE. This is the syntax, EYE of suppose 3 by 3. See what we will get, identity matrix, see ID identity matrix. The same, suppose you would like to find a matrix, it's nothing but a scalar matrix, a matrix with the diagonal elements, certain constant, suppose 3 into identity matrix of suppose 4 by 4. I'll take a new over LHS, see IDE1, see what we are getting, this is, or suppose I would like to take minus 3, I'm just typing minus 3, see here minus 3. So this is, friends, how do you find submatrices and what are the standard matrices in MATLAB. Thank you.